everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this video because I'm in trouble and I need your help. It's super important, it's been stressing me out and I just don't know what to do. And it's not like killing me, stressing me out, but it is on my mind and it is something that's good. But it's okay because there is still time. But I need your help. I need all the help. I need the help from you and everyone you know and everyone else. I need all the help for this situation that I'm in. All of you watching, all of you that have been supporting me, and all of you that are here right now, I'm begging you. Please, please, please. Please send help. It is important. Nay, dare I say, vital. Of vital importance. Muy importante. I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't think there's enough time. I just don't see it happening. And I want that to change because I do want it to happen. I thought it was guaranteed. I thought it's in the bag. Hi kitty. Oh, the sweet baby. See, even sweet baby's begging you, please. But anyway, I don't think it's gonna happen. It's so hard to admit that and to say it out loud, but I don't think we're gonna reach 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. There is less than a month until 2023, and I have been eyeballing, keeping watch. I've been just trying to wish it to go up faster, but watching my subscription, it's gone so fast. Absolutely insane, the overall growth and the amount of time. Hi. And in the short amount of time that it's gotten there. Hi. Don't paw it. Are you being naughty? She's being naughty kitty cat. She acts like she's bad at it. But anyway, so I completely appreciate, acknowledge, and I'm so grateful for all that support and for just being where I'm at right now. But again, I did set it as a goal and I said, oh, I'm definitely going to be able to do this, and I just thought we would get 200,000 subscribers by New Year's, and I was really hoping for that. And you know, we're still not too far off, so it's very possible that we can get there by my birthday maybe. There it is. Meow. Oh. That would be an amazing birthday present, amazing birthday surprise to get 200,000 by that time. Amazing, and I don't think anyone could top it. That would be the best thing ever. But to get there by my goal would be even better. But I'll be happy no matter what because you guys are amazing and so loyal and so supportive and very positive, and I love that so much, and I don't take that for granted in any instance. I just had to share my pain and my stress and just tell you guys that don't be surprised if we don't make it, because I don't know if it's gonna happen. And part of that's my fault because, you know, there's been some weeks where I'm just like, I just can't pull my life together and do the things that I need to do. That's okay, because we do this for fun. We do this because it's an amazing outlet and everyone needs breaks sometimes. It's okay. We have time for us to do this. We have the rest of December, and I think we can do it if we really set our minds, if we pull together as a unit, as a whole. I think we can do it, and I would be so happy. Oh my God. Oh my God, Elaina, calm down. I am being extra, but I am just extra excited, extra anxious. I don't know what it is. This is the last leg of the journey. This is crunch time, and this is the last ditch effort to be like, hey, we got this, let's do it. My coach hat is on. My motivational speech is here to say, let's do this. We got this. It's not over yet. Let's get there because we deserve it. You deserve it. We all deserve it. And I'm ready for a victory party. And imagine this. New Year's Eve, 200,000 subscriber celebration party, and it's waiting for us. It's ready to happen, and yeah. Miss Kitty has not been here for any sort of like huge benchmark achievement just yet. Mr. Milo has celebrated, but Miss Kitty Cat, let's do it for her so that she can know how it feels to feel amazing and get so excited and keep pawing my camera because she thinks it's cute, ma'am. She doesn't meow at the camera like Milo, she just bats it. And speaking of Milo, I don't know where Milo is. Anyway guys, I'm just making this video because it's a call to action. Again, I cannot say it enough times how amazing you guys are. So humbled and grateful for everything that has gotten us here to this moment. Not only you guys, but also my support network. There's people that have been cheering me on to do this for years, and before I even ever posted my first video, so many people just had my back for the longest time. And then when I wanted to start, and I was in the process of really getting serious about it, I had so many people guiding me and coaching me, helping me figure it out. And then when I started putting content out there, I had the shout outs, and I've just had the best people on my side to get me on the upstart, push me to start, and then when I started, just held my hand and always had my back, and that's just so incredible. Not to keep gushing, but I think back on everything that has led me to here and led me to where I'm at in my life. I've definitely had this stuff on my mind just within the past few weeks, and a lot of things like about my past and just, you know, people that have come into my life and that are still an active role in my life, and people that I've met along the way of my journey. And I just think it's crazy the things that I've seen and went through, all of it just literally a path to this moment. Just makes me think that everything happens for a reason. You meet people for reasons. I feel like you're naturally drawn to the people, the guides that you're meant to come across on your life journey. And whether you believe in this stuff or not, certain things do happen for a reason. And you have those blessings that just come around to remind you, hey, it'll be all right. You're on the road, on the way to where you need to be in life, to your role, your purpose. And I might be losing everyone in this moment with my big soliloquy, and I don't want to bore you to tears with my innermost thought processes, but like I said, I've been in my feelings and in my head a lot lately about these kinds of things, and I just want to radiate gratitude. And I think this is such a good month to take stock and consider these things, you know, whether you do it this month or a day or every single day of your life, but every now and again it's important to take stock and show thanks. Just be grateful in the moment for where you're at. I am being silly about, you know, I want this, I want this, I want this, and it's not really about that. It's more of like, I know it's gonna happen, and I know there's a timing for everything, and that's absolutely okay. I know when we get there, it's gonna be amazing, and that's all that matters. That's the most important thing. I like how this started with drastic please, 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 and now I'm just like, thank you, thank you, thank you. But that is full circle, and I'm totally okay with that. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching and sticking around for my silliness. Also, my element of truth behind all of this. Just know that I'm rooting for you. I know you're rooting for me. And what an amazing thing is that. Feels like a tribe, and I'm living for it. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, staying bright. Everything is as it should be. And we are on the road to success and achievement. And that's all I'm gonna say. This is how we're gonna end it. I will see you next time. I can't wait till then. Bye.